Here we have a 2021, the Ram TRX with the 6.2. Left it all stock, except we changed up the mufflers. Put a set of the Flowmaster Outlaw Mufflers on there. Those little guys there. Customer wants to wake up the dead. I think that'll do it. It's all stock. It's a factory X pipe. Has all the factory piping. We just adapted the mufflers in there. Should wake it up a bit. Let's see what it sounds like. Oh yeah, that'll blow your eardrums out. Starting fine just standing back here. That definitely woke it up. It's rumbling now. Sounds pretty good.